Sorry. Okay, today we're here at the picnic tables between Knott's Berry Farm and Sauk City, and we're here to review these two sodas that we got at Lane's General Merchandise and Calico Ghost Town up in Yermo when we went in, what was it, February, I think. So I actually bought, I think, 5, and these are 2 of them. So I think the brand name is O-zell, and this one is Cherry Jubilee. What does this say? Oh, Silver Lake, California, and Chicago, Illinois. And this is a pineapple whip. So, I wonder if these are twist top. No. Okay, let me get it. Sorry, I forgot. Was not prepared here. My Knott's 100 bottle opener. No, still not gonna. There we go. Ooh, it's bubbly now. Oh, it's got a nice cherry flavor. There are things floating in there. I don't know if you can see that. I hope that's supposed to be there. It's probably pieces of cherry, I guess. Oh. Good? Okay. Yeah, it actually kind of does taste like cherry. It's not really strong, like a kid's, cherry cola would be. Or cherry soda. It doesn't actually taste like a cola at all. Yeah, that one's good. Made with Hawaiian cane sugar too, so no high fructose corn syrup. So let's try this one now. Oh. Okay. This one smells like pineapple too. It tastes like pineapple, not quite as like tangy as a pineapple, Not sure it tastes like a pineapple whip, which would be like a Dole Whip, but it's pretty good. They're both actually pretty good. I think I like this one better, even though it's got weird like floaty things in it. This one doesn't though. Weird. So, anyways, I don't know if you can find these anywhere other than at Calico Ghost Town. Apparently, though, it's made in Silver Lake and Chicago, Illinois. So, maybe at, let's see, Yalco's or Market where they have the soda pop shop, or maybe Rocket Fizz. So, yeah, if you happen to find them, these are pretty good. I like this one better, though. So, let's see. I think I'll give it maybe a B+ for the Cherries Jubilee and a B for the Pineapple Whip. They're pretty good, but they're not like, over the top good. So, yeah. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip. I guess I'll take one of this one. And I'll see you in the next one.